This boss should die before break.
If we can get the phoenixes pushed farther, I can slappy hands the little guys
5,
in.
4, 3,
But
Two.
if they're not far enough,
One.
they'll get pulled.
Actually, I'm assuming you want me just to throw Touch of Death on one of the shields.
Yeah.
Innervate.
Team secret position.
Slow healing a little bit. Okay, we're good to face.
Wasn't an issue that full shed, but just so you know, most of the healing is healing over time, so it's hard to slow unless you call it a little earlier.
That kind of stops the pedestals from clicking.
Also, range. You want to be hitting this guy on the way in. I've seen some people just standing at X, not hitting until he gets to us. Soak.
Stack.
Speed right.
Do not be
X,
cheating.
dodge.
So do you want AMZ for the second one?
Dodge. Move. Yeah.
Yes.
Taunt.
Please, boss.
First damage.
Shield incoming.
Fuji,
First shield.
Shining Force JT when you can.
Stack.
Done. Or soak then. Dodge is
AMC here?
Yep.
Beware.
Take it
Stay in the fire. Move.
Frost, Shining Force.
Is someone padding on those, or are they just dying?
Okay, boss.
So technically Plank and I will, because I'm generating agony
Taunt.
shards off of them and he has
Same.
the slow on them and our Malefic Rapture hits them.
Shield's coming up.
Soak,
Just
shield.
focus.
So like technically yes.
Beware.
Dodge. This is much cleaner.
Zach, Shining Force JT.
That's a really hard bait still.
Yeah.
It's not. It's like perfectly fine though.
So
In a similar vein, I'm chain lightning to
The
increase
range
single target
shouldn't
damage.
be that far back.
Taunt.
beware. Good push.
Third one
G1
here.
clicking.
Group one start insta.
Oh, they're double on me. Okay.
Nice. Go stack with that
Remember to
person.
stay near yourself.
33 and I kind of go for a big knock to try to get him away on the fiends so Kage can grab your hands.
I'm gonna push him again. Call G2.
G2 in position. Waiting for the hit.
Now.
This is Lust. I got him,
GS
minus.
now, Zach, and then we'll
Comes
bomb the
Fiends.
canisters.
Innervate when you can.
Is this when you want the
I'm
Vanquish
knocking
Rain?
again.
Yeah,
Boss
this
is coming soon.
Boss
Boss
is
is coming soon. Boss.
Finish assassins. They're the ones that's gonna stop us from being able to do stuff.
A revival there.
Orisa, Sack JT.
Alright, blue, on blue, now. Can we cleave down this Vanquisher without killing you guys?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Stack.
So,
We will have to taunt swap though,
going
rest.
left out of this.
Just
Dodge
call
one
JT.
fiend.
Ranged kick the fiend out in the lava.
Beware.
Dodge.
After this rest.
He's
Shield
health zones,
5.
health pods.
Taunt.
Get Kage up.
Shield incoming.
Shield.
Hitting Kage.
Shining Force
okay?
JT. Someone.
Got it.
Stack.
Soak.
Use potions.
Beware.
Dodge. It's big, it's big. Dodge, dodge, dodge.
Taking him back, JT. After you get that fire
Regroup on
break.
X. X on me.
Woken 10.
There's an X marker, guys. Make sure you're on him.
Knock this
Not-
Phoenix. Knock this Phoenix.
Shield's coming in 3.
Stack.
Soak into shield. Potion if you haven't.
Kitchen sink.
Beware.
Dodge.
We need a lot of damage.
Yep, regroup. We're okay.
Healers pump on the next shield.
Stack.
Soak. Pull damage. Pull damage.
Beware.
Dodge. Into a
Shield
cloak.
coming now.
Everybody, big pump.
Oh, we got
Oh,
it.
we got it, baby.
Yeah.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Woo!
Good shit, guys. Before break gaming.
Before break gaming.
Come on, gear. Come on, gear. Fuck!
No gear.
That's
No gear.